Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Hello children, welcome to our language class. Today we are going to learn two blends, fl and gl. Let's start. L, fl, l, fl, fl as in flag, fl, fl, flag, fl as in flower, fl, fl, flowers, fl as in plan, fl, fl, flan. Fl as in flip. Fl, fl, flip. Now we are going to blend G and L. G, L, gl, G, L, gl, gl as in glass. Gl, gl, glass. Gl as in gloves. Gl, gl, gloves. Gl as in globe. Gl, gl, globe. Gl as in glad. Gl, gl, glad. If you have this worksheet with you, you are going to cut this worksheet, these pictures around the dotted line. Here we are going to sort all these pictures by their first blend. Let's start. What picture is this? Flan, 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 fl. Now on your worksheet, you are going to find a picture of plant and put it under fl. Like this. What is this picture? Glass, 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 gl. Flag, 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 fl. Flowers, flowers, fl. Gloves, gloves, gl. Flip, flip, fl. Globe, globe, gl. Glad, glad, gl. Are you done sorting all your pictures on your worksheet? Great, let's move on to next one. You can take this worksheet now, and here we are going to find a first blend of that pictures. Let me show you. Glass, 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 gl. Where do you see gl here? Here it is. Let's circle it. Now you are on your worksheet. Find a picture of glass. This one, first one here. And what is the first blend of that? Glass. Gl. This one here, first one. And circle on it. What is this picture? Flag. Flag. Fl. Flowers. Flowers. Fl. Gloves. Gl. Flip. 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 Fl. Glad. 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 Gl. On this worksheet, we are going to look at the picture and write down its first blend. Now, what picture is this? Plan, plan, plan. So, you're going to write down on your worksheet. Now, here on your worksheet, you're going to write down the first blend of the picture. Now, what is this? Plan, 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 fl, l, plan, plan. Are you done writing? What picture is next? Flag, 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 fl. What picture is next? Glass, 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 gl. Please write it down on your worksheet now. Gloves, 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 gl. Now you are going to get a next same worksheet and we'll work on the next one now. Here, what first picture is here? Globe, 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 gl. Flip, 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 fl. Flowers, 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 fl. Glad, glad, gl. Are you done writing all your first blends on this worksheet now? Great. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.